named creating a table. As we have learned about the structure of HTML document, how can we create it, how can we see it in web browser in earlier lecture. Now we are going to learn next topic, creating a table. As we know that table is an arrangement of rows and columns. This is known as rows. Okay. Horizontal lines are known as rows and vertical lines are known as columns. As table is a collection or arrangement of rows and columns. Each and every website, each and every database, each and every document must be needed to create, because इंफॉर्मेशन कहाँ रखी जाती है? टेबल के अंदर. जो टेबल के अंदर इंफॉर्मेशन होती है तो वो दिखने में अच्छी लगती है, मीनिंगफुल लगती है और अरेंजमेंट भी खूब अच्छी लगती है. सो दैट क्रिएटिंग अ टेबल, we can create a table in HTML in meaningful way. Here a table is represented by table element. And table element is represented by opening of table tag and closing of table tag. This is known as opening of table tag and this is known as closing of table tag. Then HTML's elements of a table. Which are the elements in HTML for creating? For creating rows and columns in table, we require 4 major elements. First element is table. It defines and describes the number of rows in a table data. It defines the cell in a row of table. TD. It is first tag, TR, and closing with TR. Here TD. Opening of TD and closing of TD table data. Third, it defines and describes the heading. Defines and describes the headings within a cell in a row or column of table heading. And last, caption. It defines and describes the title of a table. It is represented by opening of caption tag and closing caption tag. Now we repeat it. First element TR table row. It is represented by opening of TR tag and closing of row. Then TD data. It defines and describes the cell in a row of column. For example, ये रो और कॉलम का जो बॉक्स है, ये बॉक्स को हम क्या बोलेंगे? सेल. इट इज नोन एज अ सेल. वेयर यू राइट, वेयर यू डू समथिंग इन बिटवीन दिस बॉक्स इज नोन एज सेल. टेबल हेडिंग, ओपनिंग ऑफ टेबल हेडिंग टैग एंड क्लोजिंग ऑफ इट. देन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू नीड टू राइट heading for your table, so that we can write caption tag, caption element, opening of caption element and closing of caption element. So these are the 4 major elements to create a table, to create a row and column in the table, to make some formatting or to make table attractive and meaningful in our HTML document or in our HTML page. Now we will discuss and we will learn example of this HTML tables element. Most important thing, first example of our lesson 1, our practical example, our meaningful example. First example, we are going to create a mark sheet of standard 8. So here you can say that it is our title, caption of our table. This is our title. Means what we write? Caption. Okay. So this is title of our box, title of our table, that is standard 8 marks. Then you can see here a table with 4 rows and 4 columns. Our table 4 by 4, 4 rows and 4 columns. ठीक है. First row R1, row 2, row 3 and row 4. Column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. And this is heading of our HTML table. Standard 8 marks. There are 4 rows and 4 columns in our table and 1 title caption in our table. So first, what we do? From beginning, we must know the HTML structure. Then must know the elements of table. Then we can create these examples in practical manner. Students, now we are going to learn our previous example of chapter 1. Now we are going to write code and tag for creating this example. In previous lecture, you have seen this example, you have write this example. Now we want to write tags. We want to write the code for this example. So first of all, we must know about the structure of table, structure of HTML and the elements of table. So first, from the beginning, we are writing our answer or output like this for this HTML, then head, then title, here students mark sheet and title and head. We are going to give a title to our page or our document as students mark sheet. So first of all, HTML tag, head and title, we want to give student mark sheet as our title or heading to our page or document. So this is opening of HTML, head tag, closing of head tag. In between you can see the title lies between opening of title tag and closing of title tag. Then we move towards the body tag. We move towards the body tag. In body tag, here we can create a table tag. For creating table tag, here we can give the attributes for our table. For example, table border is equal to 2. For table different elements, we can write different attributes. For example, we want to give a border with thickness of size 2 to our table. As we know that this table is surrounded by border. This is the border. So I am right here table border is equal to 2. Then we need to write the caption. As we have seen that here a caption, a title of our table, standard 8 mark sheet. Standard 8 mark sheet. ठीक है. So here we have write that caption tag lies between standard 8 mark sheet and closing of caption tag. Then we start with the first row, that is our first row. So first we have to write TR. What we have to write? TR, table for first row. In between TD, first TD, this is known as TD, TD 1, 2, 3 and 4. These four are the table data necessary in our first row. So TD, roll number, ठीक है, TD roll number, ठीक है, ये TD हम चाहे तो पूरा भी कर सकते हैं, नहीं चाहे तो भी ऐसे ही छोड़ सकते हैं, क्योंकि उसके बाद पूरा की हमें दूसरा टेबल डेटा लिखना है। यहाँ कितने टेबल डेटा TD यूज करना है? 1, 2, 3 and 4 for our single row. There is only one for here, second row, third and fourth. For individual row, there are 4 table data. So TD, then what we do? Name, then total, then percentage, and TR tag is over. Our first row is over. That first row lies with 4 table data or cell in our first row. So this is our first row, first our table row with individual table data, that is 4 table data, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the same way, now in the same way we will write for the second and third and so on. So first of all, as you know that you can write here, you can take a screenshot from it, you can take a screenshot of it, then we move towards, after you complete or take a screenshot of it, then we will write for the next remaining rows and columns. Okay, so now move towards so we will write code and tags for the second row, TR, then TD. In second row we can see roll number 1 as it. There are 4 TD, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So roll number 1 in our second row of first TD. Then his name is Amit. Then his total is 540 in the third table data or cell, and then his percentage 86.00. So here our first row will be complete, and then second row is also complete. Second row lies between 4 data. These 4 data, table data or cell from roll number, name, total to percentage. So we have finished just first and second. Now we will start with the third table. Table data, name is roll number 2, then name is Bhavi. His total is 572 and his percentage is 91.32, and this table row is finished, completed with the 4 table data or cell lies between third row. So here first, second and third row is completed with the details of roll number, name, total and percentage. You can understand the way. So now in second part we are going to learn write fourth row and completing this, we need to complete, we need to over, we need to enclose our table tag. So I am going to enclose our table tag. ठीक है? So now we have enclosed table tag. Then we need to write closing of body tag, and then last we need to write the HTML tag with the closing tag. Now, if I want to write this one, what we need? We need a text editor like Notepad, WordPad, or anything else. And then writing this code in text editor, we need to save it, we need to store it in specified location. For example, I am saving this file with the standard 8.html. I am going to save this file in my directory drive file as standard 8.html. So in this way, we can create a table, we can create our mark sheet in the form of table elements. Each and every element is considered with their attributes and tags. So here we have created our example of mark sheet with the title standard 8 mark sheet. There are 4 rows and 4 columns. Table row, here table row, TR1, TR2, TR4. Here we can start, here we can close. So that table row 1, 2, 3 and 4. This box on data cell is known as cell. The information that we write in our individual part, this box is our T, table data. 1, 2, 3 and 4. One important here, if you want to complete your table data, then you can complete it or you can close it. Otherwise, you don't need to close it. Okay, if remaining tags are there, after that any table data tag is next to it, then you don't need to close it like this. Otherwise, if you need, then you can do it. Otherwise, no special need to close or enclose our table data tag. Okay, so write this, or you can take a screenshot of this our example. And last, you can save it with the standard 8.html, and you can see the output of this mark sheet in our any of web browser. As you know, there are so many web browsers like